Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious holiday cocktails, so let's get started with the video. The first drink we're going to make is the White Christmas Margarita. Begin by adding ice to a cocktail shaker. Then add 1.5 ounces of tequila, half an ounce of triple sec, half an ounce of coconut rum, the juice of half a lime, 2 ounces of coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of agave nectar. Place the lid on top and then shake the cocktail shaker vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. Then set the cocktail shaker to the side. Next, take a lime wedge and rub it around the rim of a glass. Then line the rim of the glass with white sugar. Next, fill the glass with ice. Then pour the cocktail mixture into the glass. Next, garnish the drink with a sprig of rosemary and a few cranberries and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This is actually my favorite cocktail out of all the ones that I made. It's sweet, not too strong, and delicious. I definitely recommend giving this one a try. The next drink we're going to make is the Christmas Lemon Drop. First, take a lime or lemon wedge and rub it around the rim of a martini glass. Then line the rim of the glass with red and green sanding sugar. Then set the glass aside. Next, in a cocktail shaker, add ice. Next, add 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of lemon juice, and 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Place the lid on top and then shake the cocktail shaker vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. Then pour the cocktail mixture into the glass. Then add a sliced lemon on the rim of the glass and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. The Christmas Lemon Drop is super tasty, festive, and cute. The next drink we're going to make is the Dirty Santa. First, on a plate, mix together 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of coconut rum. Next, dip the rim of the glass in the sugar mixture, ensuring that the entire rim gets well coated. Then coat the rim with shredded coconut. When you're finished, add some ice in that same glass. Then add 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Grenadine, and the juice of half a lime. Then fill the remainder of the glass with Sprite. Next, garnish the drink with some Maraschino Cherries and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This drink is cute, fun to make, and delicious. Oh, and it was my mom's favorite out of all of the drinks I made. The last drink we're going to make is the Blue Blizzard. First, take a lemon wedge and rub it around the edge of the glass. Then coat the rim of the glass with white sanding sugar. Next, in that same glass, add 2 ounces of curacao, 1 ounce of rum, a half an ounce of lemon juice, and some edible glitter. Mix everything together until well combined, and then fill the remainder of the glass with Sprite. And this is the finished result! This drink is absolutely beautiful and tastes great. All these holiday drinks were fun and easy to make. Comment down below which one you would like to try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!